Hi, my name is Alex Curlich with GusandShow.com. How to sell your house fast? Well, nowadays you just list it and it's gone. So, I'm talking about times where it's not so crazy busy. So I've had some realtors tell me they listed a little bit below market value and they get a bunch of buyers and then they have a bidding war. So that's one little technique. Definitely fix it up before you sell it. Paint it. Fix all the broken things. Make it look, showroom ready. Steam clean the carpet. Shine the floors. Cut the grass, trim the hedges, make it look perfect. Power wash the sidewalks, power wash the walls, whatever you gotta do, make it look good. That's another thing. You wanna sell it during the right time of the year. Spring through summer is the best time. That's when you're gonna get the most traffic going in there. That's another tip. Again, then there's a bunch of tips for buying or for selling your house fast. You should talk to your realtors, but if you got any questions, I have no problem asking. If you got an idea, give me a call. I'll bounce it off me. My phone number is 630-915-7550. Please subscribe. It helps us help you.